Hello everyone, this is Grayson Lee from Coach V's Period 4 physics class, and this is my friend Braden here, the one with the pumpkin on his head, and this is my kinetic and potential energy roller coaster project, and that's Braden throwing up roses. Alright, first I'll go over all the measurements. At 0 meters, the potential energy will be 0 joules, and the kinetic energy will be 147,000 joules. It will all be transferred to kinetic energy because of the speed. The velocity is 24.24 meters per second. The height at 5 meters, the potential energy will be 24,500 joules, the kinetic energy will be 122,500 joules, and the velocity will be 22.13 meters per second. At 10 meters, the potential energy will be 49,000 joules, and the kinetic energy will be 98,000 joules, with a velocity of 19.8 meters per second. At 15 meters, the potential energy and kinetic energy will be even because it will be right in the middle at 73,500 joules with a velocity of 17.14 meters per second. And finally, at the top of 30 meters, the potential energy is 147,000, the kinetic energy is 0, and the velocity is 0 because it's not moving. Now then, we will move up to the roller coaster that we call the Do You Even Lift? This staircase built by Braden Perry, built by Randy Newman, who wants to give a shout out to, who do you want to give a shout out to, Randy? And? Alright, so, actually, you know what, before we start, let's go over the heights. 1 block is equal to 1 meter here, so right there is 30 meters. We're going to go ahead in the track. And by the way, this is all exact based on that. Right here is 10 meters. This is also giving you kind of a little preview of what's to come. Right here, we have 5 meters. Right on over here, we have 15 meters. And you know what? You'll see 0 when we get to it. Actually, Braden, I forgot to set up the plates over at the 0 meters the 0 meter height. So could you go do that? All right. So I'm just gonna wait for Braden to do that. Here's me with a rose, mustache man in chainmail. Shown quite a bit on this map. That's where Dakota Mayer was here and just decided to make a river. Alright, you good now?
Yep.
Alright, so let us begin on my roller coaster. Braden, stay off the track. Braden. Woo! Oh my god, Braden, you screwed it up. You threw roses on the track. Alright, so after that minor fluke, we'll try again. So, Braden, when you throw items on the track, it'll stop the minecart. Alright, so we'll try this again. Go kind of slow at first, and then you just... Woo! Made this nice little zigzag thing. This right here was made by Braden. This was made by me. He makes babies. That guy was made by Braden. That's the high five of victory made by Braden.
Yeah, high five of victory.
This was also made by Braden. The track itself was made by me though. And now, we get to the end.
Yeah. Versus victory. Versus everywhere.
Alright.
Can't even talk to over.
So, I hope that you guys enjoyed my project. And, Coach V, hope that I did this right. So I can get an A on it. Maybe, you know, a little extra credit for putting in the extra work. I don't know. Just wink wink. Alright.